Hello everybody, this is IMTEX 2023 and it's the third day and we are here at Hall 2B and the first stall that you can see here is ZEISS. Well, we can see a lot of crowd over here and a lot of people here and why not? So let us go and ask some of the visitors how they have been doing and what they find new at ZEISS. Hello sir, what's your good name?
चंदन।
सर ZEISS में आपका यहाँ पर आना कैसा रहा? How was your visit here?
बहुत अच्छा लगा मेरे को।
आपको क्या नया देखने को मिला इधर इस बार?
मैं तो बहुत कुछ देखने के लिए मिला है यहाँ पे, जैसा चेकिंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स है, फिक्सचर वगैरह है, नया मशीन्स है।
तो सर आपकी एक्सपेक्टेशंस तो ZEISS से हमेशा रहती है, वो बड़ी है या वही है?
वेरी गुड है, वेरी गुड।
Thank you so much for your time, sir. Well, let us go find someone else who is ready to speak about ZEISS. Nothing but good. Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Hi,
Sir, what's your good name?
Saravanan Nagarajan.
Hello, sir. So, how are you doing today?
I'm doing great. Thank you. How about you?
I'm doing good, sir. So, sir, can you please tell us what new you found at ZEISS today?
We and ZEISS have a very long-time relationship. Actually, we are from Ford. So
Okay.
Ford Motor Company have a long way, I would say, than more than my age. That company has a relationship between both of them.
ZEISS is not a supplier for us. ZEISS is a partner for us.
Okay.
Global partner for us.
Well, at ZEISS, I can see you brought all your family. As you say, ZEISS is already your family. So, can you please tell us how is your experience today? It's the third day, it's the weekend.
It is good, but the new technology which we can able to see here, especially for the temperature probe compensation and as well as for the retrofitting of your surface finishers, those things are really good for us.
So,
Also, we have a very good partner from the long back relationship.
absolutely, sir. So, sir, how you think is ZEISS doing nothing but only great things and giving you nothing but only and forwarding over with technology with you?
With the right time, the service support as well as the application support will get extremely well. And couple of times even we have some issues, then they will give us immediate contact from the technical solution from Germany. So as soon as possible get reacted well. That is really good for us.
Thank you so much, sir. So, your name?
Prabhudas.
Okay. Thank you so much for your time, sir. Same for you, sir. Have a good day. Hello, sir. I could see there's a long awaiting line for everybody to meet you. However, we are very sorry for your time. So, sir, can you please tell us how has been your experience so far?
Yeah, the last 3 days has been really, I would say, nostalgic because we are meeting customers after many years, and also as the industry is in a booming phase, we see that many customers are coming back to us discussing about the solutions what we have given and how successful they were with our solutions. So really it is motivating to us, and I think we don't even have lunch or dinner, but we are motivated. That's how the connect with the customer is very important. That's what we have realized.
Thank you so much, sir. Well, as sir said, it's the motivation that is driving everybody at ZEISS here to work hard and effortlessly to serve their clients and make them happy. Thank you so much for your time, sir. I hope you wish good luck. Thank you, everybody.